Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò JeffOwolewaTV ṣe dáadáa ni mo bá yín. Today we are going to be highlighting the two proteges of Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma and the two proteges of Dr.Saheed Osupa. Now, Mama Muleyo kọ̀ọ̀kan síra wọn ni. The first person I'll be talking about on the show will be Tiri Leda. Bọ̀bọ̀ Tiri Leda yẹn, gbogbo bó ṣe ń kọrin, gbogbo ìṣesí ẹ̀, lifestyle ẹ̀, as a matter of fact, tí Tiri Leda bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní interview or mo kàn ń gbọ́ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní inú fídíò kan, bóyá èèyàn kan ló ń wo fídíò yẹn lórí phone, bóyá mo kàn wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ nìyẹn, you will feel like you are actually listening to Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma talking.
Ọlọ́gbẹ́ olórin yìí mọ́lẹ̀ tí wọ́n rí.
Ibi tí ó ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ sísọ everything ló ti fi jọ Pasuma kò wá yé mi torí máa wò pé báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń jọ èèyàn bí ìmú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. And if you take another look at Tiri Leda physically, ó tún jọ Paso ó jọba wá sí, ó fohùn jọba wá sí, then tó bá tún wá ń kọrin because a lot of proteges they can actually sing like you, but tí wọ́n bá ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ohùn wọn ò kì í dàbí idol wọn. But in the case of Tiri Leda physically tó bá tún wo Tiri Leda láwọn ní ọ̀ọ́kán, tó bá rí physically tó ń wo látọ̀ kan, ó tún máa jọ bá wá sí. Wọ́n pé what is really going on? Kò yé yín, but gbogbo nǹkan ló fi jọ bá wá sí. As a matter of fact, I'm very sure pé tí bá wá sí gan bá ń wo Tiri Leda and ó ti reflect nínú gbogbo ìwà bá wá sí. If you check some of his shows, anytime tó bá ti wà lórí mic, tó bá ti fẹ́ hand over mic, tí àwọn proteges yẹn bá ti pọ̀ lórí stage, tó bá ti fẹ́ hand over mic, he is kind of fond of Tiri Leda. Ní ìmọ̀ nǹkan tó fà, but the thing is, because ìwọ náà máa wo bí èèyàn ṣe ń ṣe, tí èèyàn bá ti wá jọ èèyàn dé point kan, ìwọ gan tán jọ gan, you now begin to wonder pé it's very funny, but that is the reality. Yes. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n pause kí n wá lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Akobi Osupa.
Wọ bàtà tó kọjá ohun tí ó jẹ tán, bẹ́sẹ̀ rẹ sọ̀rọ̀ gùnrè léwọ́gọ́, ìrìnàjò tó jí ní ilé òkú jẹ́.
Tí ẹ bá wo Akobi Osupa dáadáa, you now begin to feel like tí ẹ bá wo Akobi Osupa dé point kan tó bá wà lórí stage tó ń kọrin, in fact ẹ máa rò bóyá Osupa gangan ló ń kọrin ni, because ó ti fi gbogbo nǹkan ó ti fi jọ Saheed Osupa, ó ti fi jọ Jackie. So in fact tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ gan gbà mí gan ẹ máa rò bóyá Jackie ni. Do you get? Àwọn people yìí mi ìmọ̀ bọ́n ṣe ohun mo ṣe máa ń sọ pé sí òòṣà tí èèyàn bá ń sìn, tí èèyàn bá fojú ọmọ mọ orí òòṣà bẹ́ẹ̀, òòṣà yẹn máa parun ni. Do you get? Òun ni mo ṣe máa ń sọ pé people like us that we hold Fuji music in high esteem, people like us that we grew up listening to Fuji music, we know what Fuji music stands for in our lives. We know that Fuji music is a cultural representation of us as a Yoruba people. Do you get? Now, ọ̀rọ̀ Fuji bí kò ṣe ní ìparun, the longevity of Fuji music is what people like us are after. Now, tí n bá tún wá dá argument yìí padà sí orí the second protege of Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ Sharwama Adigun. As ọmọ Mushin, àwa ti mọ Sharwama Adigun tí pẹ́ látàyè ìdíkọ̀, látàyè àríyá, látàyè stadium hotel, tí bàbá sí bá ti kọrin dé level kan, ó máa ń hand over mic fún Sharwama Adigun. Gbà yẹn ó kéré gan, very small statured person ni Sharwama Adigun, but talent Sharwama Adigun, oh my God, for people like us tá máa ń rí one on one tó bá wà ní dikọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn gànjẹ́ àwọn tẹ̀lé máa ní ìbílẹ̀ ni bọ̀bọ̀ yìí. Yes, ìbílẹ̀ làwa. So as ọmọ Mushin, born and bred, àmọ́ bó ṣe lọ. So àmọ́ Sharwama Adigun, mo mọ̀ dáadáa, èmi mọ̀ dáadáa, very very talented, very very talented. Tẹ́ bá rí Sharwama Adigun tó bá ń kọrin, bóyá ó kàn wà pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tó kàn freestyle tó kàn kọrin, tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ ohun ẹ̀ ní ìgbà yẹn, nígbà yẹn he was very very young tó bá ń kọ orin as a matter of fact ó replicate style yìí bá wá sí yẹn as in to the core ó wá wà very very talented má ní pé yẹn wà talented meanwhile I love work of art I know talent I know dynamics I know lyrics I know music so if I tell you that somebody is talented oh my God Sharwama Adigun heavily talented ní táìmù yẹn ó bad the gan ó dẹ̀ kéré wọ́n pe báwo ni wọ́n ṣe kéré báyìí tó ṣe wà this talented ó máa kọrin Sharwama Adigun máa kọrin láti alẹ́ títí di ọjọ́ kejì without blinking an eye kò ní hesitate Sharwama Adigun máa kọrin ó máa sound bí Paso gangan so over time tá bá padà wá tún gbọ́ Tiri leather then I will make a little interjection in this discussion about Alhaji Currency. Alhaji Currency náà mú flavour Paso yẹn gan. But this discussion will get to a point. You now begin to wonder who actually sounds more like Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma among all the proteges tó popular tá mọ̀. I'm telling you, nígbà yẹn, ní time yẹn, people like us, a máa ń fi pé Sharwama ló sound bí Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma jù nígbà yẹn. But over time, we are now beginning to realize the fact that Tiri leather has been able to carve this particular niche for himself as the person that sounds more like Pasuma. Because mo kàn gbọ́ interview ẹ̀ kan ń sọ̀rọ̀ exactly like Pasuma. Mo kàn rí tó ṣe video kan freestyle video kan exactly like the same tone, that roughneck vocal títí Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma yẹn òun gangan lòun náà ń lò. Mo wá wò pé ṣé ó practice ẹ̀ ni àbí because you cannot lè copy your day point kan tó bá dáhùn point kan your own originality will now begin to come out. But in the case of Tiri leather, oh my God, every 100% mi ò rí ẹni tí ó jọ Paso nínú gbogbo àwọn proteges Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma bíi Tiri leather. Mi ò rí ẹni tí ó kàn sọ̀rọ̀ normal ọ̀rọ̀ tó fi ohùn ọ̀rọ̀ sísọ lásán tí ó fi ohùn jọ Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma bíi Tiri leather. Yes, then physically Tiri leather is from Ibadan, so I don't know, kò yé mi. Tó bá tún dress, tó bá tún lo fìlà, then is airline ẹ̀ bó ṣe máa ń gẹrun ẹ̀, skin ẹ̀ bíi Pasuma gangan ni. Kò yé mi bó ṣe ń ṣe. Then another thing tí máa wo àwọn videos ẹ̀, another thing tí mo tún máa ń like nípa ẹ̀ ni pé bó ṣe máa ń dúró is poise, his posture the way he stands anytime he's on stage, bó ṣe máa ń di máìkì mú bí báwa sì ṣe máa ń di máìkì mú yẹn gangan tó máa di microphone yẹn mú tó máa wá di kíní húkú máìkì yẹn mú nísàlẹ̀ báyìí, the same thing lòun náà máa ń ṣe. Do you get? Then I saw this show that Dr.Saheed Osupa was on stage, so he wanted to give Tiri leather the mic. Tí ẹ bá rí bí Jackie ṣe bọ́n ṣe gbé mic fún Tiri leather, ìgbà tí Tiri leather máa gba mic, oh my God, ohun bá wá sí gangan ni mò ń gbọ́ mi ìgbọ́n kan méjì. Mo wá ń feel like Jackie àti Paso ló wà lórí stage ní show yẹn. I'm telling you, tí èèyàn bá jọ èèyàn dé point kan, èèyàn kan máa béèrè pé who you be? I'm telling you, that guy is just exactly like Pasuma, vocally, lifestyle, physically, looks. So over time la wá rí pé Sharwama Adigun physically kò jọ Paso. Do you get? But ní time yẹn àwa tá mọ̀ a mọ̀ pé that guy heavily talented and he sounds so much like Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma. Now the second person tí mo tún máa cross padà lọ sọ́dọ̀ Olúfimọ will be Saridon 2. Yes, tí ẹ bá wo Saridon 2 dáadáa, in fact between Saridon 2 and Akobi Osupa, mo fẹ́ lè sọ pé nínú àwọn méjèèjì mi lè sọ pé èèyàn kan báyìí ló sound bí Òṣùpá jù.
nígbà tí ń ṣàdúrà
I don't know.
àṣà mi.
See, this discussion is basically about celebrating artistry. Then it's basically celebrating the proteges of our Fuji icons. Now, if we are talking about these four guys, òtítí ilé ayé yìí ẹ lè jọ máa ṣe nǹkan papọ̀, ẹ lè jọ máa ṣe nǹkan kan náà, but ògo máa ń ju ara wọn lọ. Kádàrá ò papọ̀, ẹ lè máa ṣe nǹkan kan náà, but kádàrá ò papọ̀. So you cannot actually put four of them on the same pedestals. You get, àsìkò ni ó dẹ̀ máa ń fluctuate. So bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. But when you are talking about the flows, the swags, physically, vocally, nínú àwọn mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin tí mo dárúkọ yìí, nínú Tiri àti Adigun Sharafa, ta ni ẹ̀yin feel pé ó sound bí Pasuma jù? Because I saw another video of Sharafa Adigun. Yes, Sharafa he was singing some old Pasuma's tunes, you know. That video got me very nostalgic. I was like, God, but what made me father see? Àwọn time 1993, 94, 92. Kí Bawasi tẹ̀ tó release the first album. Àwọn life Bawasi yẹn, ó gbé mi padà lọ sí àwọn level tí wàá gbé wa padà lọ sí àwọn time life after ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀ kíbọ̀. Ó bóyá wá kọ àwọn orin yẹn lọ mọ́ ọ̀gbẹ́. Oh my God. You know, even ọ̀gá ńlá Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma, àwọn náà wà ní show yẹn, he was just looking like, wow. Sí yẹn, tíyàn bá ń ṣe nǹkan tí o bá ríyàn kankan tó ń try láti copy you are not that successful. I'm telling you, if you are doing something and nobody is even, you are not inspiring anybody, no matter how much you have, no matter how many houses you have built, no matter how many cars you drive, you are not successful. I'm telling you, because see, your legacy will speak for you if you have actually inspired some people. My phone, instances kokan. I'm about to the discussion here. When you check out the likes of Fela Anikulapo Kuti, recently, wọ́n sì fún Fela Anikulapo Kuti ní this, you know, special recognition Hall of Fame award in America. Yes, that his name was actually engraved on the platform where they engrave the greatest of the greatest icons in America. Years after Fela Anikulapo Kuti, nobody is interested in how much Fela Anikulapo Kuti was worth when he was alive. Nobody's interested in how many houses he was able to build, how many houses here, how much family how much money he had. But the legacy is what all of us will be enjoying as a people, because when you have done something great, your people will be proud of you. Do you get? Your people, I mean, not your family, your people, your country, you understand, the society will be proud of you. So now, then another person, Timothy, highlight, let us put Wizkid in this, you know, perspective. When you pay attention to Wizkid is the most influential, you know, Afrobeat artist in the entire Africa. Wizkid is about the only artist that have been able to inspire. Wizkid is about the only artist that has been able to inspire more people in the whole music industry in the entire Africa. I'm telling you. See, if you check people like Rema, the blueprint Wizkid created was what people like Rema has been following. He said it in the interview. Yeah, I've said it in a lot of interviews. Then if you check the likes of Joe Boy said when he was coming up, so Wizkid gave them that idea that you could be very young and you could be a superstar. Wizkid gave all of them that belief. Not only Joe Boy, even Ruga, all of them, all these guys around, you will see that the way, even Burna Boy, if you check what, you know, out of the entire Nigerian artists, Wizkid is about the only person that Burna Boy always give props to. Do you get? Cooking for Wizkid, even Davido, at one point in one interview like that, way back, he said Wizkid, you know, he was actually inspired by Wizkid, that if Wizkid could do it, he will do it too. Now look at the video today. So all of them, followed the blueprint that Wizkid created. That is inspiration. Do you get? So, if nobody is actually inspired by you, then you have not done anything. Do you get? Yeah. Now, let's go back to this discussion. If you check what Wasiu Alabi Pasuma has done in Fuji music industry, his mark, his blueprint will never be forgotten. Forget. Do you know what Ogala don't do? He don't say. He don't inspire. Do you know how many people? Do you know how many proteges? So when you now check Dr.Saheed Osupa, his blueprint, his mark, come on. You know how many proteges that are following his footsteps? A lot of them. And I like what he has been doing. He has been supporting these guys like 100%. Yeah, recently we heard about this initiative that Dr.Saheed Osupa came up with, this Fuji camp. Yeah, that, you know, anybody that is talented, as long as you sing Fuji music, you are free. Everything is free. The form is free. The food is free. Everything is free. And that platform will give you, you know, that initiative will give you a platform for you to show your talent. Do you get? So that way, the legacy of Fuji music will continue forever. Do you get? So now back to this discussion. I want to throw it open to you guys. Between Saridon 2 and Akobi Osupa, who do you think sounds more like Dr.Saheed Osupa? Then between Sharwama Adigun and Tiri, who do you think sounds more like Wasiu Alabi Pasuma? Yes, JeffOwolewa is my name. I'll see you on the other side. And if you're watching my videos, if you know that you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell. So when my next video is popping up, you'll be the first to see it. God bless you for watching my videos. God bless you for tuning in all the time. I love you guys. Hello.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.